Hi everybody, Wendy here, Lolly Dolly Crafts, and today I've got a Beebeecraft kit. This one is a bracelet kit, and I didn't get this one from directly from the Beebeecraft store. I got it from Amazon. It's still Beebeecraft, but it's through Amazon, which is better for me because it means that because Beebeecraft is obviously in a different country, that's where they're based. It's easier because then if I'm getting them through Amazon, then I can get them next day because I've got Prime. So this is what I've done, and yeah, they very kindly asked me to review this kit. Ooh. So the kit I got is a bracelet kit. I'm just going to zoom in so you can see. Sorry about that, that's my next door neighbour's dogs. Okay, so it comes with the kit's made by it's sold by Beebeecraft, but it's made by Sunny Clue. That's the name of that it says on there. And then it comes with instructions and different pictures of what you can make within the kit. And basically it's just the only instructions you need really is how to put the fix the little clippy ends on, and all you need is a pair of pliers to squish them together. And then it's basically just however you want to arrange, arrange the so I'm going to have a little go and a little play. I'm going to make a bracelet. So first of all, I'm just going to quickly say what's in the kit. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coloured, these are like leatherette suede set sort of type straps. So there's sort of like a lime green, a pink, I think that's a black, yeah that's a black, I'm not sure whether it was dark blue, white, turquoise blue and a purple. You also get 4 little tiddly tassels. So you get a cream one, cream one, blue one, a peachy coloured one, and this lovely sort of like teal green one. You get 2 packs of beads with a good selection, silver, 2 sizes. I don't know what the actual sizes of these are, so I honestly don't know. I'm not very good with bead sizes. Anyway, but you get 2 packs of those. You get the ends, the findings for the ends of the that go on the bracelets. You get these little like chunky. They've got quite a wide hole, like spacer, and you get a lovely selection of charms. So this is like 2 tree ones. There's a little seashell. Oh, sorry, I'm not taking them out the bag. A little seashell. A bead, nice. Little starfish. Another shell. That one a little bit smaller. Nope, same size as that one. Oh, and there's a purple tassel as well. Purple tassel. A music note. And some like love hearts that are entwined. What's that say? Handmade with love. Oops. Little key. Some more. There's some heart space beads. 3 there. These little spacers that have got like a bead, a piece where you can hang something from. Another selection of spacers. They're like filigree. These 2 long tube ones. That's like filigree on them. Some jump rings. This sort of like twisty sort of thing. and then these really big, there's 4 there, quite big sort of jump rings. So yeah, so I'm going to have a go. I think I'm going to try and make, following the picture on here, I'm going to try and make that one there. Now, I've never made one of these before. It looks like you use a strand, 2 strands of the white and 2 strands of the, and one strand of the white and 2 strands of the blue. Oh, there they are. Okay, so these is what you get. Right, so you attach. So you've got a crocodile clip there. Okay. Crocodile clip there. Then you've got this attacher there, which you squeeze closed with the pliers. And then you've got this extension, which will help for the size. This is, so that's about 7.5, I would say, about 7.5 inches. There. It's easy to cut, and then I'm going to cut some of the white. That's 7.5 as well. Okay. Okay, so that's 3 strands I've got. So what I want to do is make sure the 2 turquoise blue suede goes on the outside. So I'm going to get my one end, that end, and put that on there. It can be a bit fiddly. Right. Okay, so I've attached that there. So what I need to do now is to squeeze them shut. Because obviously I don't want this to fall out. And if I do mess it up, I have got some more of these. In my own craft stash. So there we go. That was easy enough. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this end off, because I don't want to put that on yet, and then I'm going to get one of these long tubey and thread that on. to make sure that my white is staying in the middle. So there we go. So I've just threaded all of those on. How cute. So now I was going to, it does show on the picture to put this tassel here, but I'm not going to put that tassel because this has got white on it and the tassel's actually pink, sorry, cream. But I'm going to stick something else on. Now what else can I, there's plenty of other charms and that. I've got some of these as well. It's like it's this tree of life. So I think I'm going to put that on the end of this here. There. The tree of life. So I'm going to need, oh, this is so much fun and it's so easy. You could do this with your kids. This is so cool. So I'm just going to use, these are actually, they're not jewellery, they're actually my pliers, but so open up the jump ring. There we go. Add that to there, and then add this little tree of life charm, and then close the jump ring back up again the same way. Now you really don't need any instructions to make these other than just, you know, it telling you how to put these ends on, and that is it. You do not need anything else. So now I'm just going to move those out of the way and put the other end on. So making sure, I'll just trim that off, making sure that they're level, because they go in better. Oops, if they're level. Okay. That's a bit twisted. Okay, so get this end bit. Make sure it's going on the same way as that one, which is that way. I'm making sure they're all slotted in, like so. And we get pliers, oops, and close them up. Oops, slid off. I just want to make sure that these are nice and tight. Closed. So there we go. One bracelet, which I don't know if I'm going to be able to put on by myself, but is absolutely look how pretty that is. Oops, sorry, look how pretty that is. I love it. Let's see whether I can There we go. All done. Probably could have done that with a bit tighter. No, maybe not. But yeah. Yeah, love it, love it. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll leave the link down to the Amazon where I got it from. Okay, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.